In this video, I'll quickly show you how to watch Showmax on Windows laptop. Step 1. Use web browser. Open a compatible web browser. Chrome 102+, Firefox 102+, Edge 102+, or Safari 14+. Go to showmax.com and log in with your Showmax account to stream directly. Step 2. Ensure stable internet. Verify you have a stable internet connection. 4 MB per second or higher is recommended. I'll advise you to use an Ethernet cable if you have that available. Restart your modem or router if you experience streaming interruptions. Then step 3, install Android emulator. Download and install LD Player or MEMU emulator on your PC. Launch emulator and open Google Play Store inside it. Step 4, install Showmax Android app. Search for Showmax in Google Play Store inside your emulator, then download and install the app. Step 5, log into the Showmax app. Open the Showmax app in the emulator, then log into your account and start streaming like on a mobile device. Step 6, troubleshooting. If app or website won't load, clear your browser cache or emulator data and update graphics driver and system software for smooth streaming. Now that is how you stream Showmax on your Windows laptop. I also included a nice picture of my dog because you made it to the end. Thanks for watching, subscribe.